How to install TikTok on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Now on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up Play Store and then tap on the search button. Next at the top, you want to type in TikTok and then search it. After you're searching for TikTok, tap on the install button right next to the app name. Now wait for the app to download and installed. Okay, once it has finished, tap on open. And here we can then sign in to our TikTok account. So select the categories that you would like to view. So go down and select anything that you want to view: food and drinks, automotive or vehicle, gaming, dance, beauty and style, and so on. And then tap on next. And then we can swipe to start watching. Now you can sign into your account by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom here. And once you have signed in, you can upload photos, add pictures to your profile, and so on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.